I mean, a fantastic cause. I think raising awareness about breast cancer is fundamental. Raising funds is also extremely important. Making sure that women are represented, that women feel able to talk about it, to find the assistance they need. We've been here for a week. Absolutely fantastic hospitality, excellent food. I've had nihari, which I love. That was yesterday's meal. My family have been fantastic. They've been looking after me, seen the town. Went yesterday to see all the cultural sides, so some of the markets, the local markets. And then, of course, the polo, which has been on another level. 16 teams, 16 women, excellent horses, lots of good RG horses, as well as local horses. So very happy to be here.
Pakistan is one of my favourite places to come to. I came last year for Polo and Pink, and it was just the most amazing experience. Everyone's wonderful and the hospitality is insane. The food here in Pakistan is beautiful. Everything I've had I've really enjoyed. And I do like a bit of spice, so it's great. Too many to mention, really. Lots of different things. Everything I've eaten there has been really lovely.
पाकिस्तान में at least 40,000 people die every year because of breast cancer. तो ये tournament awareness के लिए है और माशाल्लाह ये बहुत बड़ा tournament है. तो इंशाल्लाह हमें बहुत awareness मिलेगी breast cancer के बारे में, and people will get tested for it, and inshallah the level of breast cancer will go down in Pakistan.
And I'm here for the Pink Polo and Pink tournament. We've just got through to the final, which I'm really excited about. We just had a great game over here, and so far my experience in Pakistan has been absolutely amazing. So far everything has been amazing. I can't honestly think of anything everything stands out to me. This is my first time here, but yeah, everything's incredible. Yeah, so the culture is really obviously new to me, but again, the culture here, everybody seems really genuine, everybody seems really kind.